my favourite ride. Wow. And look at this. Guys, you've got a red light coming down. Wow. How cool is this, guys? Wow. So, Project Calypso. So that probably was the name of it when it was being built. This is so good. And 2003 will be the year that the ride was actually built. Red hot 360 degrees. 30 seconds. TV ad. Marketing. Final. Local development. And the final. And then again. Wow. So in here we've got some red mugs. Again, you think of Nemesis Inferno, everything's red. Weathering time they will replace them and put in some Nemesis Inferno mugs. Yes, they will do that. Okay then, so we've got a coffee machine again. With hot chocolate and different pods and things. Now let's go and have a look in the bathroom. So excited to see. Wow. And in here, wow. Got the different greenery again, but it's fiery. And so much represents Nemesis Inferno. Really nice. Again, walk-in shower. And then your toilet area and your toiletries. Guys, I think I've made my mind up which one I like the best. And it's got to be Nemesis Inferno. Whether it's because I like the ride the best, but I totally love the Nemesis Inferno. It's really nice. Then it's got to be, I don't know. It's a draw between the other two, it really is. But I just want to say thank you so much to Thorpe Park for inviting me down to see these rooms. Thank you very much to them. So, thank you. Goodbye.